Hello everyone, today's topic is about Telnet and SSH configuration on H3C Switch. In my lab setup, I have 6520 model of switch. You can see here, this is the switch in my lab. Here I have UTP LAN cable. Here is console cable. And I have one power cable to power on the switch. Just connect the power cable to the back side of power module of switch. And another side connect with a power extension port. You can see here the switch has been powered on. You can see the light is on. Now take console cable and connect console cable to the console port of switch. Just see here console port, and connect another side with my laptop for configuration. Console cable connected. Now let me take UTP cable, connect UTP cable with port 1/0/23 of the switch, and connect another side with laptop. Both cable has connected, console and UTP. Now let's move to the configuration part. Open the terminal, go to the session serial, just select COM port and OK for configuration of switch. You can see here this is the CLI of H3C Switch. Just go to the system view and change the switch name. Just write sysname. I will write switch A. Just enter. You can see here the switch name has been changed to switch A. Now create VLAN 10 for Telnet and SSH. Just assign name to this VLAN. For Telnet and SSH, I will use this VLAN to access the switch from Telnet and SSH. Display this. You can see here VLAN 10 has created and name is assigned. Just quit. Now create layer 3 interface VLAN F, interface VLAN interface 10, assign IP address 192.168.10.1/24. This IP I will use to access the switch through Telnet and SSH. Just quit from here. Display IP interface brief. You can see here IP address has been configured for VLAN 10, but it's down because we did not added the port and VLAN yet. Save first. Now the next step, just enable the Telnet server configuration. Telnet server enable, and also SSH server enable, and global mode. Now the next step, we will create local user for Telnet and SSH. Just write local user. The username is admin. I will write admin. And the class will be, there are two classes. Write class, there is manage and network. Manage to device management user, and the network for network access user. Just I will write manage because I will do for Telnet and SSH. New local user added. Now the next step, we need to set the password for this user. There are two passwords, hash and simple. Just I will write simple and assign the password admin@123. Enter. But here the password must be contain minimum of 10 characters. Now in my case I have write 9 character. Let me change to the 10. Password simple admin@12345. Enter. Password has been set. Now I will allow the service type. There are multiple service type. You can configure as per the requirement. FTP, HTTP, HTTPS. There are multiple service. But for today, I will allow Telnet and SSH only. Just enter service type Telnet and SSH. Now I will assign authorization to the user. Just write authorization attribute. User role. There are multiple user role. Network admin, operator from level 0 to level 15. some user level just to view the configuration, some for the configuration of the device. Just I will write network admin. And there is one other option with ACL, access control list. If you want to allow or block some IP address or some user, you can do with ACL, but I will do without ACL for now. Just enter and display this. Now this is the complete local user configuration. Just I have assigned password, service type, and authorization to the local user. Just quit from here and save force to save the configuration. Now let me configure the VTI interface. Just go to line VTI 0 to 63, the virtual interface, enter. Now here we have authentication mode, but first let me show you the default configuration. Just try display this. You can see here the default network operator is the user role for VTI interface. Just I will configure authentication mode. You can see here we have 3 modes: non, password, and scheme. The non mode means there is no password. For the password it will use the password, but I will use scheme modes. It will use the local user database I have configured above. Just I will assign this mode. Just quit and save force. VTI interface configuration has finished. Now let me check the interface where I have connected my laptop. Display interface brief. You can see here port 1/0/23 is up. My laptop is connected here with this port. Now let me add this interface in VLAN. Just go to the interface 1/0/23, port link type access. Just I will configure the type access and port access VLAN 10. Now this interface has been added to the VLAN 10. This is the physical interface configuration. Just quit from here, display interface brief. Now you can see here the VLAN IP and port has up because we have added the physical port here. Now just save the configuration. Now I will verify from my laptop like this IP is pingable. Just go to my laptop adapter setting. Just I will assign the same subnet IP address. Go to the IP4 address. Just assign IP address from the same subnet 192.168.10.2 here, 10.1 on switch with /24. Just click OK. Again OK and close. Now go to the command line CMD. I will verify the IP address. Go to the command line of my laptop. Run here ipconfig. I will check my IP address. You can see here it's already configured 10.2. Let's ping the switch IP 192.168.10.1. Perfect. It's pingable from my laptop. Now I can verify the Telnet and SSH. Now go to the terminal again. Go to the session. Now first let me verify the SSH. I will SSH the switch from my laptop. Just click on SSH. Write the VLAN 10 IP 192.168.10.1. Click OK. Just accept the server key first time for the switch. Local user is admin. Just write the password admin1281235. Just yes. You can see here the switch has been accessed through SSH. Now you can run any command, display interface brief, or you can run any configuration. SSH has been verified. Now let me check Telnet. Go to the Telnet. Write IP 192.168.10.1. Just OK. You can write username admin. Password is a capital admin 812345. Just enter. You can see here now the session connected through Telnet, and we can check the configuration as well. This is perfect. Telnet and SSH has been verified. It's perfect. Thank you. This is the whole topic for today. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.